Hello dear students, welcome to our Max class. Chapter 10, Play with Patterns, Part 1. Today in this video we are going to learn picture patterns. We see various patterns in our day-to-day life. Here, this is a border pattern on the borders of the saris. Here you can see the patterns on the window grills. You can see these are the various types of the bedsheet patterns.
Duck. So a moose should be next. Then a duck. And another duck should come after that. The pattern is moose, duck, duck, moose, duck, duck. The pattern can also be
Quack, quack, sound. You can see the sound. This is also a
patterns are fun. Tap the pattern in order.
Then duck, duck, then more, then duck, duck.
You tap the pattern. Complete the pattern by dragging them into the dotted squares.
Now let us complete. Now here first one is a snake, then tiger. The first one is a snake, tiger, mouse. Then what will come
Complete
first?
the pattern by dragging them into the dotted squares.
First snake, then tiger, then a mouse.
Good job! Based on the pattern, what comes next?
What comes next? This is the first one. Second two yo-yo. So let us start with the video game first. Then two yo-yos. 1, 2.
Good thinking! Based on the pattern, what goes in the dotted square?
The first one is a guitar. Then two pump. So let us start. What will come next?
Good work! Look carefully at the pattern and drag the missing ones.
Now you have to drag the missing one. The two yak are there, one hen is there. Then what will come next? Two yak, one
Look
hen.
carefully at the pattern and drag them. Great!
A yak.
Can you make your own pattern?
So let us make our own pattern. One shape. This is one type of a pattern. Now this is one type of a pattern. Hello dear students, we will see over here the growing pattern. We can see the houses. The first house, we can notice that the first window is yellow in color. Second house, second window. Third house, third window is yellow in shaded. Fourth house, fourth window yellow. Fifth house, fifth window yellow. Sixth house, sixth window yellow. Seventh house, seventh window yellow. Eighth house, eighth window yellow. So what will be in the next house? In the next house, the ninth window should be yellow in color. So let us trace it this. This is the ninth window. Let us see the next sum. Here petals are there. In the first line, we can see there is one petal. Second, two petals. Third, three petals are there. Second line, we will see two petals are there, then three petal, and then it moves on to four petal. Third line, it starts from the three petal, then four petal. What will be the next one? It should be the five petal. Let us see where is the five petals. I think this one. Is it correct?
Impressive thinking.
Now here, in this pattern, we can see there is one chocolate, there is another red color chocolate, then one more brown chocolate, then one red chocolate, then one brown chocolate, then red chocolate. So what should come over here? So brown, red, brown, red. So after red, it should come brown chocolate. Now here, you can see in the second sum, there is one donut is there, then heart-shaped chocolate, then donut, then heart-shaped chocolate, then donut, then heart-shaped chocolate. Then what will come next? I think donut. In the next sum, third sum, there is a brown chocolate, two red chocolates, one brown, two red, one brown. Then what should be there? Two red. So I think this one should be there. The last one red chocolate, one donut, one heart. Then again one red, one donut, one heart. One red, one donut, and last one it should be, I think, heart. Let us see.
That was fun.
Okay. Let us see the next one. Here we can see the snail. The shell is there. Again one snail, the shell, the snail, the snail. So what should come next? I think the snail. Next sum, there are two color fishes. One is yellow, one is blue. One yellow fish, then blue, then yellow, then blue, then yellow, then blue. So what one come next? Yellow color. Seahorses, one blue seahorse, two red seahorse. One blue seahorse, two red seahorse. One blue seahorse, it should be two red seahorse. So one is given, so next one it should be red seahorse. It is shown here a blue tree, then star, then again a brown tree, then blue tree, then star, then brown tree, then again star with the blue tree, then star, then it should be brown tree. Is it correct?
I'm proud of you.
Now let us see this. The honeybee is there. The bird, red bird, blue bird. Honeybee, red bird, blue bird. Then what will come? Honeybee, two owl, one red bird. Two owl, one red bird. So it should come next two owls. So one space is given. So we will paste only one owl. Here one red bird is there, honeybee. Two red bird, one honeybee. Two red bird, one honeybee. Then it should come one red bird. Blue bird, red bird. Honeybee. Red bird, blue bird. Red bird, honeybee. Red bird, after red bird, what is the sequence you can see? After the red bird, what should come? It should be the blue one. Now let us see some textbook sums. One blue pot, then red pot, then blue pot, then red pot. What will come next? The blue pot, then red, then blue, then red. Now, here we can see in the second sum 2A, A, B, A, B. Then what will come next? A, B. Next sum, 1 petal, 3 petals, then 5 petals. Okay, this is an odd number. 1, 3, 5. Again 1, 3, 5. Then again 1. It should be 1, 3, 5. We have to continue the pattern. The fourth sum, here we can see there is a square and 4 triangles inside it. The first one is colored, the top one is colored, then the left side triangle is colored, then the bottom one is colored, then the fourth right side is colored. So here Next comes again the first one at the top, then left side, then bottom, then go towards the right side. Now fifth sum, here we can see the bowl with the design. Okay, it is upside down. Now one is towards down, then towards left, then towards up, then towards right. Then what again the pattern will continue. First one they have given is towards down. So what will come next after down? It will come towards left side, then it will come towards up, and then it will come towards right. Now let us see the next sum. This is a pattern in words: morning, afternoon, evening, night. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. We have to continue the same thing. We have to continue the same. Thank you.